Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today I'm going to show you a quick tech tip on how to get these screws out of the bottom. Now the way that I found the best way to get them out is to give them a little shock, kind of like a little tap. And what I use is a automatic center punch. When they're hard to get out here, instead of trying to strip them out or grab them with pliers and ruin the outside, just take an automatic center punch, put it in the center of it, give it a couple clicks, and it'll loosen any kind of corrosion or anything that's in there. Make sure you're using a really good bit. Okay, this is a snap-on bit, and this is a number 2, I believe. Yep. Okay, it's number 2, and these snap-on bits have little teeth on the bit tip. Kind of see a little bit right there. They work really good. So make sure you get it on a good solid surface, and you're pushing down. Make sure you're not pushing on anything on this side that's going to break. Put it in there, make sure there's no dirt inside of it. And there we go, it comes loose. All right, and that's a quick tip, how to get those out. Automatic center punch, you can get these anywhere. Give it a couple pops in the center of it and help removes it without stripping it or damaging the screw, and the screw can be reused. Hope this helps you guys out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.